The standing, single-arm dumbbell preacher curl with offset grip is an excellent exercise that targets the short head of the biceps. Rather than gripping the dumbbell in the middle of the handle, you will be using an offset asymmetrical grip where your hand grips the dumbbell handle all the way up one side with your thumb against the weight plate of the dumbbell. This offset grip really pulls in more of the short head of the biceps. To get started, start the exercise holding a single dumbbell with a palm facing in semi-supinated offset grip, also known as a hammer grip. Curl the weight up until you hit an approximate 40-degree angle with your elbow, then supinate your palm so it faces up as you think about curling your pinky finger to the outside of your shoulder. The supination portion of turning your wrist up and in is important since the two functions of the biceps are elbow flexion and supinating the forearm. Pause at the top to feel a good squeeze, then under control, lower the dumbbell back down to extend the elbow, then immediately complete another rep. Once you complete all the reps with one arm, switch arms and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.